Hi everyone, welcome to your mini lecture on the course sequence for public health majors. I am at Starbucks, so you are probably going to hear some background music, some background noise, and I'll try to keep that to a minimum. I'm sitting as far away from everybody as I can. So this mini lecture is just really important because your faculty, myself included, but all of our faculty in public health really want to make sure that you are informed about what courses you need to take and when and why that is important. Your faculty, we have made decisions about courses, sequence, very deliberately. We want to make sure that the courses that you're taking over the next couple semesters are building knowledge, skills, and competencies related to public health practice. And so that's why we have an order for some of our classes that you need to take, that there is a sequence involved. And so this is really important for you because it's a matter of keeping you on track for graduation. So moving forward, one of the things that's going to be really important for you is to continue to see a public health advisor. So we have our faculty members see our public health students based on student last name. So if you are unsure about who your public health advisor is, please go to the health sciences office. That's in JD 2500. And you can also, I think, find that information on the public health student canvas page. I believe that information is listed there as well, but you definitely need to know who your public health advisor is. And moving forward, if you have any questions about courses, about this sequence, getting ready for each next semester, your public health advisor is the best person for you to talk to. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing you need to know is when you are in Health Sciences 331, you are considered as a junior in your first semester. So regardless of how many units you have, regardless of what your class standing is with the university, when you're within our public health major, when you're in 331, you are considered a junior in your first semester, because when you take 331 is going to determine what graduation date you are working toward. So right now, everybody, you're in 331, you're exactly where you need to be. Next semester, in spring of 19, everybody should be planning to take Health Sciences 431. And obviously this semester, while you're taking 331, next semester when you're taking 431, you're going to be taking additional required classes for the major, such as Health Sciences 390, 391, 488, 437, 439. These are all classes that you're going to be filling in over the next couple semesters. You definitely don't have to take them all in one semester, that's impossible. But what we're focusing on here is considered this core sequence of classes for our major, and then there are other required courses like the ones I've just mentioned. Those are going to be taken along with this core sequence. So right now, 331, junior semester 1. Next semester, spring 19, you guys are going to be taking in your junior semester 2. The core class that's required is 431. You're also going to be filling in with other major required courses, other electives. Then after 431, so now we're looking at fall of 19, you're going to be taking Health Sciences 441. And then spring of 20, you're going to take 2 core classes together. You're going to take Health Sciences 445 and you're going to take Health Sciences 494. And that's the semester that you're going to be graduating. That's the semester that we're working toward your graduation date. And in your last semester with us, that's when you're going to be taking 445 and 494, which is your academic internship. So why is it so important to know the sequence and to follow it? Well, these courses are designed to be taken sequentially, and so these courses represent knowledge, again, skills, competencies from one course that will be needed to be successful and to build on for the second third, fourth, etc. So what happens if you miss one of these core courses? Unfortunately, that can really delay your graduation. So let's take a look. Let's say you're enrolled in 331 in fall 18, just like you are right now. And then next semester, you do not enroll in 431. That means that instead of having a spring graduation, you would now be pushed back one semester and be planning for a fall graduation. So taking the classes in order will be really important, and making sure that you're taking the classes and following the sequence from semester to semester is really important. The only time that you're taking 2 classes of the required course sequence together will be in your last semester with us, when you're taking 445 and 494 together. Every other class is designed to be taken 1 per semester. So I know you guys have a lot of questions about internship, so this upcoming week we're going to be spending time in class talking about internship, about preparing for the academic internship. How are you going to find one? What do you need to think about? So we're definitely going to get to that. Right now, what you need to be thinking about is having your advisement so that you can enroll in the proper classes for spring. If you have questions about the course sequence or about the electives or about the other required classes, then you need to go and see your academic advisor. Also, you can go to, we have a website, you can go to our public health website via the CSUN website. So if you just Google CSUN Public Health, you'll be able to find much more information about our program, about our faculty, a bunch of different resources. Here's an example of our Department of Health Sciences public health page, where you can see information at the top of the page regarding academic programs, information for students. You can find information about our faculty and staff. And then you can also find information about our program director. So our program director is Dr. Vicki Evan. And you can also find information about course requirements, electives, a program brochure, advising information, the recommended course sequence, and oh, look at this, a whole section on the 7 areas of responsibility. So obviously that's going to continue to pop up because our major is aligned with those 7 areas of responsibility. So that's it for now. You guys are on track for graduation. You want to make sure you're registering for the right classes for spring, checking in with your advisor, and coming to class next week with your questions about our major, about the courses, about internship, about grad school, about getting your first public health job. And we're going to be spending some time going over your questions and looking at job announcements and job descriptions, talking about the CHES exam, talking about grad school, and hopefully making sure you feel really prepared for what's going to come next. Okay, thanks so much. Talk to you soon.